All right, let's dive right into exactly how you can install HDO Box on your devices.
We'll walk through the entire setup process, step by step, using the official source instructions.
Just a quick heads up first. Recent legal hurdles mean you might run into some bugs.
Okay, starting with Fire Stick and Android TV. It's a really straightforward three-step process.
First things first, make sure you've got the official Downloader app installed on your device.
Open up Downloader and tap that hashtag icon in the corner to bring up the keypad.
Type in the code 250931. That'll load up the TroyPoint toolbox for us.
Scroll down the Toolbox menu, find HDO Box, and click the official version to start downloading.
Once it's installed, just click Done. Don't actually open the app quite yet.
Hit delete twice to get rid of the installation file. It saves valuable storage space.
Here's the catch. HDO Box absolutely requires a secondary video player called Drama Player.
So head back to the toolbox, find Drama Player just like before, and hit download.
Install the player and again just hit Done as soon as it finishes.
Now you're cleared to launch HDO Box. Just allow the necessary permissions to start streaming.
All right, let's pivot and see how this works on an Android phone or tablet.
Simply open your mobile browser and go straight to their official site, hdo.app.
Tap the Google Play button and then confirm that Download Anyway prompt.
Open the downloaded file, install it, and you're completely good to go on mobile. The app is super popular for a reason. Fast, free, one-click HD streaming with subtitles. But a quick warning, some users report frustrating bugs, especially with remote control buttons acting up.
Plus, it's a third-party app, relies on ad-supported players, and stream quality can definitely fluctuate.
Because it's unverified by official stores, running a secure VPN is highly recommended to protect yourself.